This is Sensor Studio. I'll quickly deliver the news about the Middle East war. It has been confirmed that missiles were launched from within Iran. It has also been confirmed that missiles were launched from the Qom region in Iran. This is Tabriz. Reports are coming in that multiple explosions have occurred in the northwestern Iranian city of Tabriz due to US airstrikes, raising local tensions. The exact extent of the damage has not been confirmed. This is Tabriz. The US airstrikes have begun. Not only that, but airstrikes have also been confirmed in the areas around Abadan and Chabahar Bay. This is Aqaba, Jordan. Iran has launched a second attack in the Aqaba region, causing direct damage, though the target is unknown. The Iranian military also struck a power plant in Kuwait. This has caused a large fire. This is Kuwait. Missiles are being launched from within Kuwait toward Iran. Kuwait, the Kuwaiti military has stated that their air defense system is currently responding to hostile drone attacks. Kuwait, the Kuwaiti military announced in an official statement that their air defense system is conducting operations to intercept unidentified hostile drone attacks. Iranian drones reportedly attacked the Ali al-Salem air base, a US-related facility in Kuwait. A Ynet report says the Israeli Defense Forces have quietly raised their alert to the highest level, preparing for offensive operations and setting up a nationwide missile defense in case of conflict. Israeli Defense Ministry officials believe that if Israel becomes directly involved, Iran is highly likely to launch large-scale missile and drone attacks targeting military bases, key infrastructure, and major population centers across Israel. Israeli Defense Minister Yisrael Katz said Sunday that after Israeli and Jordanian forces intercepted Iranian missiles fired at Aqaba, Jordan, Israel will respond forcefully to any Iranian attack. Minister Katz said during a visit to a rescue facility that if Iran launches missiles at Israel, we will respond with full force. The U.S. Central Command announced on Saturday that one U.S. soldier was killed while removing a bomb in a controlled manner from an Iranian-made attack drone that was shot down in northern Iraq. U.S. Central Command said another soldier was injured and is being treated for minor wounds. U.S. Central Command said it diverted 6 merchant ships bound for Iran and disabled one during maritime blockade operations against Iran. According to a report by the Wall Street Journal, the U.S. is increasing the deployment of military assets in the region as it prepares for a broader war. However, the expansion of operations may be limited due to decreasing stocks of air defense and long-range weapons, the journal reported, citing an official familiar with internal U.S. government discussions. Iranian Deputy Foreign Minister Kazem Garibabadi stated that Iran will take appropriate measures to protect its national interests and security in response to the U.S. attack on the Darkovan nuclear power plant construction facility. The Qatari Ministry of Foreign Affairs stated that Qatar's Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, Mohammed bin Abdulrahman Al Thani, and Saudi Arabia's Foreign Minister, Faisal bin Farhan, discussed diplomatic efforts to ease regional tensions during a phone call on Sunday. The Qatari Foreign Minister held separate phone calls with the Foreign Ministers of Saudi Arabia, Jordan, and Oman, condemning Iran's attack and urging all parties to resolve the issue through dialogue and diplomacy. The Kuwaiti Ministry of Defense stated that Iran continues to target Kuwait's civilian and critical facilities, and that Iran's attacks have caused fires and resulted in serious damage. If there are more updates, I'll mention and upload them in the video. This concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja.